Doing a little review here. Watching the robot navigate underneath our dining room table. It's actually doing a pretty good job getting in between all the chairs. It's running low on battery, so I just told it to go home back to the charging station. Let's see here. Words of advice. We've got a shag carpet. This is very low profile, so it actually goes over this very well. Goes underneath the couch, out the other side, continues. If you have anything hanging like this on the ground, it will get caught up in the blades. Common sense stuff. And the only other time it got stuck was in here. We have a thicker shag on the way out to our patio. This is cheap, but it's very, very thick. So the blades will get caught up in that. So we just picked this up in this room. We can also put a boundary around it, but either way, I'm going to stop it here and then I'll show you. We've run it twice. We have a dog. And let's see how much dust and hair we got from the puppy. There we go. So. Hard to do with one hand. Yeah. So that's probably the second clump. That's about an hour of dust and dog hair. So overall, pretty good. There's some people on there that complained about not being able to get the app running, but I didn't have any issues. So you just put this thing back. Stick that in there. And you're done. You gotta clean this if anybody in your house has long hair, it'll get caught up in there. But you know, there's a $220 version, there's a $400, $500 version of these things, up to $1,000. At the risk of sounding pretentious, we can afford that, but you know, this thing does the job. I think we paid the 300S model. These things, you know, they get pretty chewed up pretty quick. Again, I think that's because of the shag carpeting, but other than that, you're going to need a couple of these. They're pretty easy just to remove. It does get caught up, and you can replace them when you get the box. You just pop that on and you're done. So not a big deal, but we like it. I'm gonna keep it, and at this point I give it a thumbs up.